my friends, I wanted to talk to you about request for repairs today, because when you're buying or selling a house, request for repairs can make or break a deal. On the seller's side, sellers always want to sell the house as is. And on the buyer's side, buyers always want to move into a house that's perfect. So it's always a balancing act. And if you're on the seller's side, always think of it as without doing a request for repairs, or without giving some credit or some repairs or some concessions to the buyers, the deal cannot get done. And if you're on the buyer's side, think of that home as, normally the average stock anywhere in the United States is between 40 and 50 years old. So a 40 or 50-year-old person is going to have some maintenance issues. And if you think of it that way, then you feel more gentle towards the house and more realistic with the fact that any house you want to buy into is going to need some work done. So think of your house as a living thing. Think of your house as a person or a thing that you need to love and cherish and take care of. And if you think of it that way, then things will go much smoother during your transaction. Thank you so much for joining me.